Let's make this low budget banga soup together while I continue the story from my last post. So if you missed part 1, go check my last post. When I found out I was pregnant for Tunde, he told me to get rid of it, and I told him that I cannot get rid of it. This guy insulted me and called me all sorts of names. He said he cannot marry me and he has someone he is dating and really loves. I was so shocked. I started begging him not to do this because I am already pregnant and my family knows him very well. Tunde insulted me, called me all sorts of names, saying he cannot marry an harlot, one of my friends that slept with you. I was in shock. I told him it wasn't your friend that told you I had a thing with him in the past. I told you myself. Why are you then using it to rub on my face? I never knew you guys were friends till we got together, and I have even seen his friend in his house, and this man did like he has never known me before. Until now, he has not told you anything. This last week, this lady he said he wants to marry has been at his place. It was this morning she left because I saw them. Ever since then, even if I call him babe, he will insult the hell out of me. He is now telling me to go tell my parents that he cannot marry me, and if my parents insist I keep the child, I will be the one to train the child alone, and I should get rid of that child. He knows that a pastor told me not to get rid of any child months before I knew I was pregnant, and if I do, I will lose my life. At this stage, I am really confused and fed up. Every day, if I greet him, he will insult me. I'm really fed up. I need advice. I don't know what to do. I'm just 23 years old, going on 24. I need advice, guys.